I promised you guys another video of how I made this simple bow. All you're going to need is your ribbon and a pipe cleaner, and this one is wired, and it is also double-sided, meaning one side is more prominent and the other is less prominent. So I measured off the distance of how I wanted my tail. After I fold that, it's going to be about 4 or 5 inches long. Then I folded it again and just dovetailed it. And we're going to sit this aside until we need it. Next, I take the ribbon again and I'm measuring off at how big I want my bow to be. And like I said, it's one side is more prominent than the other. So then I fold it off maybe about 3 or 3.5 inches. And then I'm going to fold it onto itself. So the next fold is going to be a little distance away from the first one. So I use my finger as a measurement. And then I brought that over onto itself and I twisted it. Now I'm twisting it because I want the right side to be upward. And then I use my finger again on the other side, folded it onto itself, twisted it again to get the right side upward. Use my finger again as measurement, or you can eyeball it. And then you're going to follow this process until you have gotten as many loops as you desire. Now you can have 3 loops, 4 loops, as many loops as you desire. You would keep going. Fold over, twist, fold over, twist. Now I'm going to use all of this ribbon, or even most of it. I don't remember how much of it I used. Seems like I'm using all of it, right? Now, if you don't have pipe cleaner, you can also use zip tie. But I find that the pipe cleaner is easier to manage and more practical, because what if you want to take it off and do it over? With the zip tie, then you would have already tied it. And then if you want to pull that up, then you will have to cut that off, and there you lose a zip tie. So the pipe cleaner is more convenient and more practical. So next, after I got to the end of the ribbon, I then took the pipe cleaner, wrap that around and just twist it. And then I'm going to take my tail, scrunch that in the middle. There I was trying to figure out which side was the right side and the wrong side. Crunch that in the middle, place it on top of the zip tie, and then just bring the zip tie over and twist that. And you can also cut off the excess or leave it there and just blend it into the ribbon. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna just leave it there. And then once you have done that, then you start fluffing. Now you're gonna pull out your loops, pull them either left or right, and once you have gotten all of them just pulled out and fluffed out, then you can start fluffing. Because this is wired, it's a little easy to handle as well as it can be a challenge. But you just keep doing until you are satisfied how you want your bow to look. For your tails, if you want to pleat that, you just just add some pleats, or you can leave it straight. It doesn't matter, whichever you choose. And this little 5-minute bow is complete. There it is. Let me know what you think about this bow. And here is the other one that I did inside a video recently. And I am basically doing the same process, but for this one, I wanted to differentiate the right side, so I added another piece of ribbon in the middle, and that's also for embellishment. So I'll just let you watch to see how I do this one. And if you'd like to see how I fit this on top of a wood round in another video, I will link that video at the top right here so you can check that out. And this is how I fitted this on this wood round that I made. Here are the bows, my friends. Let me know what you think about these easy bows. For more budget-friendly ideas like this one, you can watch this video right here or check this playlist out. And I will catch you in my next one. Bye!